All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. All right. Oh, damn, what just happened? My bad. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan, and I'm chasing my dream of becoming a profitable day trader. It's only one thing, man. It's hard, man. Max lost 2 days in a row, bro. But we got it, man. We got it. I'm grinding. I'm here every day. I'm not gonna stop till I get there. So let's get to it, man. I really want to play Ion Q, man. I'd love for it to dip close to 26, but I also feel like I got an R for it to play it aggressively, but it's up high, man. Yo, Pond, what's good? 3 Pony, what's going on? Signature. Yeah, I want to catch a dip on Ion Q, man. I'm ready, but if it doesn't dip down, I'll just wait for an actual setup. Dang, man. I should have just grabbed it. This thing broke out pre-market from the daily setup I was watching. And I was like, all right, I got an R for it, but it didn't pull back much at all. The breakout level was 26.32, so I was kind of hoping it would come back down a little closer, but it might, you know, fast up, fast down. No FOMO, we chilling. I'm chilling. I'm cool. What you guys watching, man? Dang, bruh. I should have bought the dang breakout pre-market. Ooh, we gotta calm the FOMO. Okay, so I got Chewy today, MU, and Tesla, TSLL though, and Ion Q, which is leaving without me. But the day has only started. Dang, man. Slow you roll. This looks interesting, doesn't it? It's all right. It's all right. Dang, Chewy, what happened? Looking great. MU though holding 96 right here. Rather play it over yesterday's high, but that's kind of nice. Tiny volume on the pullback, not tiny. It's bubbling.
Order filled.
This is early. This is the time of morning where I'm like, I need to wait longer, but looks pretty strong. Ion Q coming back to earth. Look at that, buy up at 27. And nah, we gotta wait for that. And you just chopping around. Man, I want to take this right here.
Order filled.
That's kind of violent though. Yeah, I saw that, man. I actually had GME on watch this morning, but I was just like, man, it's just too much going on with this stock for me to want to trade it. You know, it's just got too much going on. Yeah, I should have waited for the higher low, but I mean, it just seems like a really good double bottom. But you could just wait for the confirmation, you know. But it is a nice double bottom. But it's on the 1 minute chart, bro. It's at yesterday's high. I mean, it's got some stuff going for it, but it's also got some stuff going against it. SPY just broke over the 5 minute opening range. That's cool. All right. Yeah, I like that signature. All right, MU. It's kind of riding the EMA a little bit though. Trying to hold 96. I don't know how many times it's going to be able to test and hold. But we in a good spot if it goes. Tesla over here creeping. Yeah, don't nobody want Chewy. Don't nobody want Chewy but me. Out here all alone. And that was the double bottom I should have been looking for right there. This mug look hella bearish too.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm definitely mad at Chewy. I mean, not Chewy. I'm sorry, MU. It's too early. Too early. It's chopping. It's not even a clean move up. Buying inside of this big old candle. I can do better than that. But this right here, looking kind of saucy right now. Who's buying Tesla? My bad. What do you mean, signature? Are you short? Man, I'm gonna miss IonQ. There's the 5 though. But let's wait for some red. We might get a nice little higher low. Maybe. Come on back down to 27 one time. All right. If that's all I get, I'm taking it. Yeah, but I'm hoping for one more. Everything pulling back at the same time. That's a lot. It's a little more than I was thinking. Ooh, snaps. 1 hour up on Tesla. Ooh. This is where I wanted it though this morning. But yeah, that's wild. Man, what a dip though. Right down to 26. Wave Rider.
Order filled.
Just think it's worth it, man. I think I should have waited for one more low though. For being honest. Yo, what's up, Joe Dub? Damn, I missed this bias ad right here. Mm-mm-mm. That's all right. It's still looking kind of
Order filled.
Chewy. Yeah, I jumped the gun on Chewy. You saying because it's you don't have a delay? I changed from streaming through or handling the stream through OBS through using YouTube Studio, and you can.
Order filled.
Damn, yeah, that was stupid. That was hella stupid. And you can lower the latency. All right, so we got a rule break trade on Chewy and another one on IonQ. And just trading too early on MU. Said we wanted to wait and let it show its hand as it has now. But we got Tesla. So hopefully we can lean on that and make some better decisions. Yeah, I remember that, Joe. Yeah, I was really happy to be able to I think I might have been able to do that on OBS too. I just didn't really understand the thing about latency. Okay. That actually looks like the ad. Hmm. I'm gonna get these back. Inshallah. Mm. And market's dropping.
Order filled.
What's up, OG? VVPR. Nice little grinder, just broke over that high. What is that? 437. Man, the 5 is below the moving average. Yeah, but my other 3 are going straight down, like relatively weak to the SPY. Maybe not relatively weak. I got the 5 on the SPY. Yeah, IonQ is like right in sync and MU. Chewy's worse. Tesla, dog, why don't you just go already? Oh, this politicking, it's looking bad, man. I kind of want to raise my stop up. It's definitely downtrending now.
Order filled.
That was super quick this morning, wasn't it? Yeah, Tesla's going down. I should have got out at 1R. Well, just piss poor trading again this morning. I mean, yeah. Yeah, it's just I just can't be patient. What was this? The 4th minute I got into MU while it's like violently chopping around. Couldn't even wait for the 5-minute candle to close. And then IonQ, FOMO for missing this, and then it coming down to the level I wanted. But like, bro, you just gonna buy it like off of one low. And I already know these big volume slams like that, they're gonna at least have one more drop before the bounce, which is why I got all these confirmation rules, like waiting for a higher high, higher low. all that stuff. But you know, that stuff just on paper. But the good thing is I lowered my max loss today. So when I come in stuck on stupid, I don't go 10R max loss. Golly. $3. Did not need to wager like that on Tesla. I've actually been telling myself that I gotta stop. This was definitely the level to have my stop at. And I would still have one more trade left had I stopped it right there. What I was thinking about. Yeah, I'm done taking 2R losses, and I'm just gonna add at the EMA so that I can feel comfortable putting my stop there. Because if it breaks below, then the move's over anyway. So yeah, that would have been a great place to stop out. Wow. You know, yeah, I mean the last 3 days I lost $20 each day. Actually, 30. Was it $30 the last 2 days? Yeah, I think so. Last 3 days. Oh gosh. Yeah. Did that little dance over the high, huh? 437. Yeah. I wouldn't have bought it way up here anyway though. Yeah, Tesla's doing bad. Dang, man. I felt like I was gonna be on my game today, but hmm, what was missing? Oh yeah, you were waiting for that area to buy. I have actually not futures, but I've tried trading exclusively the SPY, and I did enjoy trading one stock just to focus and but because I only trade to the long side, it was very frustrating. So and it's just not waiting for the setup, man. That's all. I need to start. I don't know, man. I don't know what I need to do to assist myself in staying clear on what I'm doing. I guess maybe just reading over the rules at the open. But like here on Tesla, the first part of the setup is that the five must close over this EMA. And I bought it down here below the EMA, right? So this never even qualified. Um, Same with Chewy. Same with IonQ. Uh, MU was the only one, but I would say I think I definitely need to add the rule that it has to be after the 5 minute close, after the close of the first 5 minute candle. Yeah. OG brought in VVPR. Like, bruh, I need to not even watch this thing on the one. Just like literally watch everything on the five. And when I get the first time I see a five close over the EMA, then I go in and look at the one. Other than that, there's no point. Tesla doesn't have a single candle that closed over the EMA. Neither does Chewy. And I got trades on both of them. And at least MU started out above the EMA. Wow. The prices for wood, I have noticed at Home Depot. um, Look in the futures. I just don't think it's an instrument thing. It's just little dumb stuff I do every day. And I mean, I could do the same dumb stuff on one stock or four stocks, though I probably wouldn't have as many dumb trades if I was only trading one. But PVPR stop what 424, 425, 424. Yeah. IonQ getting back over the 5 minute. Yeah, hella unnecessary losses, bro. Still in there, Trey? Sure did. Man, it's a nice little ass spot too. What's your price? What's your average, Trey? Bruh. I think that break even stuff, bro. I think you got to put that in the trash.
Order filled.
Interfering, bro. You interfering, bro. Break even is for after you done took profits already, in my opinion. Risk is on until target. Yeah. Flag on the play, bro. But I mean, I got like 5 flags on the play already. I'm sitting in the penalty box, man. So I ain't judging. uh, it is. You know how it go. See, bro, you wildin'. Bruh, how? How did you stop break even? Oh my God, bro, I'm so mad. Bro, you gotta do like 20 push-ups or something, man. uh, uh, Yeah, we show our 40 push-ups. If I do 49, I'll do 40. What's up, Bear? All right, so we'll see if this is just a small retracement and we're headed down for more, or if this is an uptrend. We will find out now. I actually would like to keep it under yesterday's. Yeah, I don't know. It's not looking great for the home team. Not looking great. I feel like I should slide this a couple
Order
pennies
filled.
under yesterday's high, but yeah, it's still a downtrend. It's still a downtrend. I should have took my 1R and been happy. Yeah, at least fumble, bro. Golly. Yeah, I needed to wait for the actual setup to happen on the 5 because it's just below everything. I was just hoping yesterday's high was going to be some level of support. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. It's just everything I'm watching is downtrending. I saw Ion Q close over the 5 and I thought, but it's still downtrending though. Needs more than that. No, yeah. No, it's definitely a red day. Once the hole gets this deep, I mean, especially just nothing. The whole market's red. Yeah. The market closed red yesterday. Nah, I'm with you, bro. I'm with you. I should have took that. But I mean, every day has made something more clear. So like I'm getting things from these days, but at the same time, it's like stuff I've already gotten before too. Like why we got to keep driving home the same lessons? It's like there's some rules that I've proven to myself so many times that it's just ridiculous to come back to them. Like um my desire to add more charts to my watch monitor. You know, like right now it's 4. But Monday, when I came in Monday, was it Monday or Tuesday? I felt like I had it and I was like, I need to see more so I can have more trading opportunities. And I put 8 charts up. And I traded probably 8 tickers that day and it was terrible. I think the last 2 days, I mean the first 2 days of the week was like that. And again, I went back down. Like I've done this so many times. Increase my charts, over trade and have a terrible time and then decrease it. Yeah. And so like that's law. Like like stuff that I just never need to change like ever. 4. Uh Max loss. I like 5R. It's generous. Um but I mean it's still a lot. uh No trades until first 5 minute candle closes. It really should be 2 or 3. Okay. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure about that stuff. And then my entry criteria. EMA must be in an uptrend. I think that's a interesting one to add. That kind of got me caught up just now in Ion Q. was that the 5 minute did make it back over the EMA, and it did close over the EMA, and it was a nice 1 minute pullback, but it was downtrending. So I got one higher high out of it. And you know what? I told myself this morning that if I was going to play those while they're downtrending, that I should lower my RR to 1 to 1 and just take the R's when they come. But I don't want to do that anyway. If it's downtrending, it's just not in play. Yeah. So basically, I need a higher high, higher low on the EMA. But yeah, 5 minute must close above EMA. Ads and entries be at EMA. Stop stays below EMA until take profit. All right, I think I'm ready to look again. All right, so Chewy, I like this double bottom, even though this big nasty thing here, and we're well below the EMA, but I thought this being at yesterday's high, was playable, but that's cool. And just wait for the retake of the EMA and buy the first higher low, and then boom, right? Simple. This is not in the playbook. I will not be doing this going forward. This is something to draw your attention that the price might be reversing, and then you wait for higher high, higher low. Very simple. Very simple. Ion Q, same situation. My head was already gone at this point. I was already like, it was already over. This was like straight YOLO right here, like a uh you know, miracle pass. So yeah, that's a clear L. I know, man. I was like, last week was amazing. But I was still making a lot of mistakes too, though, for sure. I think the market was just a little more agreeable last week. Yeah, MU just too early, man. Just too early. If I'd have just waited a few more minutes, it would have been super clear that it's consolidating, and it is not ready. All inside the opening candle too. That's trash. And Tesla. Yeah. 5 did not close above. Never did. So this could have been avoided too. All right, so I think I just need to review my little notepad in the mornings, and yeah, for sure. And you know what? I think it's just the market trends, bro. Like that leg up that the market makes and has some green days. I have a great time, and then the next week when it cools off and pulls back and gets slapped up. But I mean, I really can't, don't feel like I can blame the market for my losses. I can blame the market for the lack of opportunities. Like if there's fewer opportunities, like, well, the market's just not giving those opportunities today. But the setup is designed to keep you out, like it'd be different if I was taking like clean cut setup plays and they just kept stopping, kept stopping. Then I'd be like, all right, um, they're just not working. But I'm taking outside plays, you know. Yeah, that's true. That's true. What kind of uptrend though? Wasn't it kind of choppy? Uh, yeah, this day's definitely chop. This day was pretty good. Hmm. I was already chopped up by the time this day got good. Oh man. Yeah, it's definitely me for sure. Just bad executions. The market can't help bad executions, just like uh the gym can't help a bad diet. Yo, what up, Brandon? Yeah. Brandon is the eight-figure trader. Not at all. So Bear just capping. That's funny. This looks pretty decent. What's up, Paul? Yeah, we can have some great conversations. All right, Pon. Appreciate you, bro. CNC and Ash. Really nice daily. It's already went. It's already gone. But I mean, at least it's freaking uptrending. Yeah. Pond, you like these low volume things. I always look at them and be like, what? But they go up though. Yeah, they go up though. uh, what up, Jack? Yeah. I hate it when I get in those and don't think about the slippage. So I don't think about my entry price enough. And I end up getting in at the top of the spread and then it drops right back to the bottom. And I'm down half a R. Uh, nah, man. I traded MU at the open, bro. That was the one that I traded MU at the open and just got chopped up, man. It was too early. I right when I got in, I was like, this is too early. Right when I got in. So that was the first you're in short MU. Wow. 96.80. Damn, bro. Nice work. What changed this week? I started the week and added a whole bunch of charts to my watch screen so I could see every single trading opportunity in the market. And that proved disastrous as it always does when I do that. What else? Just been not being patient and waiting. Yeah. Man, if I would have known Jack wanted to short MU, I would have stayed far away from it. I ain't going against Jack. Yeah, see, this EMA was uptrending here. Oh, this is too early though, but it is downtrending. Yeah, I dropped it down to 4. Um, it used to be 3, but I always felt like I wanted to add one, but I don't want to force myself to watch 4 either, because if there's not 4, I don't want to watch 4, but um, it could definitely be 3. 3 would be better. I could use one of these 4 for the SPY, and then the other 3 for the top 3 stocks. Chewy looks kind of interesting, aside from the lack of volume. Still far away on the 5, but the EMA is bottoming out. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button for me. You know, I was listening to Ross's video. I had a couple people send me Ross's well, Trey sent it to me, and then somebody mentioned it in the Discord as a consolation to my terrible trading day yesterday. And it actually did make me. Usually doesn't make me feel better, but I actually felt a little bit better. Like, uh, but I brought that up to say something else. It's something he mentioned in that video that kind of resonated with me. Uncle Ross, yeah, happens to the best of us, man. Happens to the best of us. I can't remember what it was I wanted to say from that. Hmm. Poof. uh, but it was definitely cool hearing him talk about, still making, the same emotional mistakes that we make. That it never disappears completely. It just you're you just get better, a little better at it. I think this was probably worth taking, but um, oh, Chewy's. Thought Chewy had made it back up. No, that's Ion Q. Ion Q has closed above. Taking a stab at VVPR. Hmm. Got 70 cent risk left. It's funny. 457. Volume's picking up a little bit there. Okay, Trey. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. Hmm. Hmm. What's your average? There's 5. Oh. Oh, I'm 485. I got you. Could have had 10 cent lower. I thought Chewy looked cool for a little pop. Seeing some volume coming in. Pop back up to the 20. MU's making its way back up. Jack, you still here? I'm sure you closed your MU by now, or are you waiting for it to tap the EMA and go lower? Yeah, I think that would be worth it. Maybe take a little bit out. But I think holding it for high day would be a good training exercise for you. 15% left. Well done, man. What's your lowest sell? You got 3 shares. Yeah, okay. Now, one thing I got from Al Brooks that I thought was pretty dope. Nah, you tripping break even, bro. Stop it. No, move your stop back down, bro. Please move your stop back down. Stop going to break even, bro. You punking out on the trade. It's just that's the only thing to explain it. It ain't did no work. But anyway, Al Brooks was saying that um you shouldn't move your stop up until you get an extension away from the consolidation. You know. But yeah, bro, just wait. Yo, Chewy looking strong. Needs time though. Definitely needs time. EMA still downtrending though. On the 5 it is. On the 1. Man, I like it right here. Hmm. Outbreak even. Well, I guess it worked out, man. It was pretty high in the move, though. Pretty big move that got made. Oh, got a little uptrend on the EMA right here. Hold on now. This is nice. I might have to do some manual share size in here. Q is falling. Now, if this 5-minute candle closed green, or at least has a hammer, it's got 30 seconds. Damn, bro. What's happening this week? Oh, that's what I wanted to say about Ross's video. He mentioned that he does a review video every day. And I was like, dang, he's consistent. I am not. Two FOMO trades, one chase the entry that cost me a winner and interfered with the VVPR. Yeah. Shoot, this could have been a no trade day for real. I ain't never had one of. Have I had one of those? Hmm. Yeah, that's what's up, OG. So what's the adjustment, Jack? Because I'm not gonna become a short trader. Just don't trade. But I mean, I've yeah. I mean, if I could just not trade when I don't see my setup, then it would be fine. Yeah. Right. Yeah. That makes sense. Market is dying. Wow, look at Baba over here though. Sheesh. It's gotten into Baba. IMTE. Wow. Hmm. Yeah. That all makes great sense. It's a religious thing. Well, there's like particular rules with regards to financial transactions in Islam, and the way options are set up. Well, not options, but short selling. Um, you're not allowed to sell things that you don't own. So things like drop shipping, um, short selling, not available for me. Hmm. Yeah, I have definitely gotten away from my daily criteria for sure. Honestly, none of this stuff, all of this stuff is downtrending on the daily. Mm. Yeah, my daily criteria has gone to crap for sure. Pull up the paper trader. Was that a YouTuber? I like this 5 minute setup right here, but it is definitely below. But the one has started uptrending, kinda. Oh, oh, I got you. I got I got 67 cent that I want to use to buy this 5 minute break on TSLL, but I don't want to take a trade that breaks rules, so I gotta wait for this close over 11:10ish. But the EMA has definitely started uptrending on the one. Assuming we get a higher high over this level and a higher low. Red 6R. No. 11 trades today. Yeah. The most of my large trading days are red days. And a lot of my green days would be bigger if I took fewer trades as well. Okay, we got the higher high on TSLL. Yeah, that would have been a good buy on the 5. Yeah, I don't like flopping back and forth, man. I would rather, like, sometimes I'll trade the SQs when the market's going down, but it gets frustrating to go long the SQs and then get stopped out, and then looks like now the market's going up, and then you go over there and it's just stressful. Man, this looks good on Chewy. It's definitely uptrending now. Yeah. Yeah, that joint nice. You trading this OG? Hmm. Yeah, that was nice. Nice little touch to the EMA. Yeah. I just want to play some Call of Duty right now, bro. uh, stream it. Uh, yeah, you ain't lying. Chewy's actually looking really good. Let me not say really good. uh, yeah, that was actually super takeable on the 5. Same with Tesla. Oh man. USA stock market. Well, thanks for stopping by, bud. Cap. Cap, bro.
Order filled.
It's got to go straight up or I'm going to get stopped out. Can't sign in. Oh, really? Because you think it's a good buy or
Order filled.
wow, that's funny. All right, y'all. I'm outie. You taking 100 shares? Uh, yeah, I just didn't have anything to risk. Still not maxed out though. Yeah, yeah. All right, y'all. I'm getting out of here. Just wasting time. Nah, I enjoyed hanging out with you guys for sure. Um, let's not trade any downtrends tomorrow. How about that? And if it's downtrending, let's just not trade. Let's talk about me and Bear gonna move the market. I could have definitely waited for a pullback, but we're the whales. You'll jump in too. Oh man. It looks cool on the 5. I tried to risk way down there. I guess I would have needed to. I meant to do the share calculation actually. But yeah, anyway, I'm out, y'all. Be easy, be safe, and I'm gonna do a review video today. Like Uncle Ross. All right, y'all. Peace.